Okay, welcome to the session. Good morning, students. Now today we discussed about shift micro operations. Earlier class we discussed about logical micro operations and arithmetic micro operation. In shift micro operation, what is about the shift micro operation? Shift micro operation means transferring the content from one register to another register. It may be content or information, any other information that is transferred to one register to another register is known as a shift micro operation. The information that is transferred in the form of serial input to the type of that determines the type of shift means the serial input that it may be the bits in binary numbers, zeros and ones. The data that can be transferred from one register to another register is known as in the form of bits, binary numbers, zeros and ones. It is in the form of that the information is transferred in the serial input manner. Okay. Next, it consisting of shift micro operation consisting of three types. One is logical shift, second one is circular shift and arithmetic shift. Logical shift, circular shift and third one is arithmetic shift. Circular shift are also known as rotate shift. Circular shift is also known as rotate shift. In earlier class we already discussed about the logical shift and circular shift. Now we discussed about arithmetic shift. Okay, an arithmetic shift is a micro operation that is a shifted signed binary number to the left or right. In what is the performance of shift micro operation? The register of data that can be transferred from left to right and right to left, left to right and right to left. Likewise, the arithmetic shift also done the micro operation from left to right and right to left with the form of binary numbers. An arithmetic shift left, it consisting of the shift left and shift right. In logical circuit also we have two types, logical shift left and logical shift right. It can be denoted as SHRL and SHRR. In circular shift also it can be divided into two, CIL and CIR. CIL means circular shift left, CIR means circular shift right. Okay. In arithmetic shift also it consisting of two types, ASHL, and ASHR. A means arithmetic shift left and arithmetic shift right. It consisting of two types. Okay. In arithmetic left multiplies the signed binary number by 2. After completion of the calculation, it can be multiplied by 2. That is shift left. Shift right divides the number by 2. Which number? Binary number that can be divided by 2. Okay, this is a arithmetic shift right. What is the representation of the arithmetic shift right? Arithmetic shift right. Here the arithmetic number is represented as R0, R1, Rn-1, Rn-1 and N-2. Okay, this is the arithmetic shift right. That's why the arrow is denoted like this. The leftmost bit in the register holds the sign bit. The leftmost bit means here Rn-1 represents the sign bit, whether the number is positive number or negative number. Okay, and remaining bit holds the number. This N-1 to R0 that holds the number for signed bit. For signed bit means Rn-1 that can be denoted whether the binary number is a positive number or a negative number. Here 0 is represented as positive number and 1 is represented as negative number. Okay, for negative number we have to place the number it as a 2's complement. For positive number there is no need to change. Okay, we have the signed number like two numbers 0 and 1. 0 means a positive number. In signed bit, it can be represented by 0, it is a positive number. It is represented by 1, it is a negative number. For positive number, we need not to change. For negative number, we have to place that number to the 2's complement form. Okay, the arithmetic shift left, insert a 0 into R and shift all other bits to the left. The initial bit means Rn minus 1 is lost and replaced by the form of Rn minus 2. This means Rn minus 1 means representation of sign bit. That's why the number is lost in the Rn minus 1. Only Rn minus 1 or n minus 2 or not, the number is hold in the form of binary number. For example, we have to take 1 0 0 1 0. This is a signed bit. That's why the remaining 4 bit is a whole number. What is the binary number? 1. This is a binary number of 1. Okay. This is a leftmost bit with whether it is a positive or negative. It is represented by whether the number is positive number or a negative number. For example, what operations we have to take in the arithmetic shift micro operations. For example, we have to take ASHL. ASHL we have to take 1 0 0 1 0. Okay. Arithmetic, in this arithmetic shift we have two types, ASHL and ASHR. ASHL means arithmetic shift left and arithmetic shift right. In arithmetic shift, we have to take this example 2. Okay, in arithmetic shift. In arithmetic shift left is also similar to the logical shift left. In logical shift left, we have to transfer the information, serial input information. Information means bits to the right side. Right side, in this right side we have to denote 0. Okay, next, one position is moved to the left side. Okay, 0 1 0 0. Here 0 is discarded in like logical shift left. Okay, here we have to see the major problem of the logical shift left is carry value is discarded. That's why we have to transfer to the circular shift. Now in this arithmetic shift left also that problem. Okay, here this is a decimal number, this is a binary number, the decimal number is 2, 0 0 1 0 means 2. Okay, that is multiplied with 2. The answer is 4. Okay, already you have to see for arithmetic shift left it can be considered as multiplied by 2. For arithmetic shift right, we have to take this decimal number into binary number 2. It can be divided by 2 means 2 by 2 means 1. Okay, in arithmetic shift left it can be considered as a 2. We take the 2 binary number that is multiplied by 2. 2 by 2 means 4. Here 2 into 2 means 4. Here arithmetic shift right we can be considered as a binary number 2 that is divided 2 by 2 means 1 is the answer. Likewise, the calculation is performed by using the arithmetic shift. Okay, here after calculation of the logical shift in arithmetic shift, here we have to take one number. Whether the result is, for example, we have to take two binary number. Here 0 means positive number, 1 means negative number. Okay, here Vs is equal to 0. This is considered as Vs. Vs is equal to 0, it is no overflow. If Vs is equal to 1, there is a overflow condition is occurred. Vs is equal to 0 means overflow. No overflow. If Vs is equal to 1, that condition is overflow. Okay, this is a statement, that is, this is a exclusive R symbol. Okay, Vs means Rn minus 1 to exclusive R notated Rn minus 2. And overflow occurred After an arithmetic shift left, if initially before the shift Rn minus 1 is not equal to Rn minus 2 an overflow flip-flop, we can be used to detect an arithmetic shift left overflow. Okay. Okay, next we want to discuss about the hardware implementation of shift micro operation. This is the hardware implementation of the shift micro operation. Here we have to take the 4 multiplexer. Here we have to take 4 multiplexer. This is a 2 by 1 multiplexer. Here we have to take the 2 inputs, and for each multiplexer we have to take 2 inputs and 1 output. That's why we have to take 2 by 1 multiplexer. Okay, this is a table. This is the diagram hardware implementation for internally. In the internally the computer can perform the shift micro operation by using this circuit. Okay, this is a hardware implementation of shift micro operations. Okay, next we have to take the 2 inputs 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 0, 1 for each and every multiplexer. Okay, here H0, H1 and H2, H3 are the outputs of the multiplexer. Here we have to take inputs as A0, A0, A1, A2 and A3. Here we have to take 2 inputs for serial input that can be denoted as IR, and here serial input that can be denoted means IL. IL means shift left, IR means shift right. Okay, we have to take the 2 selected lines means 0 and 1. Okay, here we have to take the input as 2 selected lines, that is a 0 and 1. 0 is represented as shift right, and 1 is represented as shift left. 0 is represented as shift right and 1 is represented as shift left. Okay, here in functional table we have to take 2 input lines, that is 0 and 1. Okay, here we have to take H0, H1, H2, H3. These are the output for this combinational circuit. H0, H1, H2 and H3 are the outputs for this hardware implementation of shift micro operation. Okay, this is about the circuit. Okay, here in first multiplexer they get the input from IR, and in second multiplexer they get the input for 0 that receives the A0, 0 receives the input from A0. Okay, in table A0 receives the input from to H1. Okay, in H2 has an output, 0 receives the input from A1. Okay, here in H3, A2 receives the input from 0 receives the input from H3. Okay, why you consider this table? What is the IR, A0, A1 and A3? Okay, here we have to take the example as A0, A1, A2 and A3. In shift left operation, what we perform? Okay, what is the shift left? Shift left means it transfers the serial input bits to the right side. Okay, it transfers the serial input lift to the right side. Shift left. This is the shift left operation. Shift left means it transfers the input serial bit input to the right side. Okay, right side means here we have to place it to the IR. Okay, IR means in binary numbers we have to take it example as a 1001 means first we have to take 0 in this. Okay, that is the 1 bit position is transferred to right side. A0, A1, A2. Okay, here A3 is discarded. Okay, these A0, A1, A2, A3 are the source register. This is useful for the input of this hardware implementation. A0, A1, A2, A3 are the input for the hardware implementation. If the selection input is 0, okay, the operation is done like this. A0, A1, A2, A3. Okay, here we have to place that IR, A0, A1, A2 is like this. IR, A0, A1, A2. Next we have to take shift right. A0, A1, A2, A3. Shift right means, what is the definition of shift right? Shift right means it transfers the serial input in the form of bits to the left side. Okay, here we have to place it to IL. Okay, that the information that is passed to the one bit to the left side. A3, A2, A1 and A0 is discarded. Like that we have to place it in the, if the selected input line is 1, we have to place it this as an output. For clear understanding, I repeat once again, A0, A1, A2 and A3 are the source registers for the hardware implementation. For this shift micro operation hardware implementation, okay, these are the source register, these are the inputs for this hardware implementation. Okay, here we have to take first of all shift left. Okay, sorry, first of all we have to take the shift right. Shift right we have to take, shift right we have to take means shift the right side we have to place it IR. Okay, next we have to move to the one bit to the right. A2. Okay, next shift left. Here the inputs also A0, A1, A2 and A3. Okay, here we have to place it the shift left. IL means denoted as shift left. This is the serial input. Here the information is moved to the one bit to the left side. A1. Okay, this for selected input line 0 we have to take IR, here IR, A0, A1, A2 and selected input lines SL means shift left we have to take A1, A2, A3 and IL. Okay, like this we have to perform this hardware implementation. Here we have to take the input from serial input IR 0. Okay, here we have to perform the serial input IL to the 1. Like in the table we have to perform the operation like this. Okay, here first of all we have to select 0 as the input. Okay, the input 0 of the input, H0 is the output. Okay, here the input comes from IR. 0 gets the input from IR. Okay, here the 0 gets the input from IR to H0. Okay, IR for 0 receives the input from IR and H0 is the output for this multiplexer. Here A0 0 receives the input from A0. Okay, this is the output for second multiplexer. Next, 0 receives the input from A1. This is the third multiplexer. 0 receives the input from A2. This is the fourth multiplexer. For we have to take the selected input lines. This is for 0. Next we have to take the selected input line 1. Okay, 1 receives the input from H0 means A1. 1 receives the input from H0 means A1. Next, 1 receives the input from H1 to A2. Receives the input from A2. Okay. Next, 1 receives the input H2 for H2 means here we have to assume output H0, H1, H2. For assumption of the output is very clear for the representation of the diagram. Okay, H2 means here H2 means for 1 it receives the output from A3. Okay, 1 H2 H2 means third multiplexer. It receives the input from A3. 1 receives the input from A3. Here H2, A3 and 1. 1 receives the input from A3, here H2. Next here 1 receives the output from IL. Okay, 1 receives the output H3, IL. Okay, like this. This is the hardware implementation for the shift micro operation. Okay, shift micro operation. This is the hardware implementation for shift micro operation. This is the functional table. How we have to consider, by using that functional table, we have to implement the hardware implementation of the shift micro operation. It consisting of, here we have to take the 4-bit representation. Okay, this diagram is considered for 4-bit representation. Okay, let us see one example. For logical operation, here we have to take the 1001. Okay, in first multiplexer we have to take 1001. Okay, this is the output. For we have to take the shift right operation. Shift right operation means we have to perform the 0. Have to perform the here shift right operations. We have to perform 1. For example, you have to take the shift micro operation of shift right. Shift right, we have to take example 0, 0, 1. Here we have to place it 0. Okay, here move the 1 bit to the right side. Here 1 is discarded. Okay, here we have to place the output is 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, input is comes from this A0, A1, A2 and A3. Means our binary number is 1, 0, 0, 1. Input is comes from A0, A1, A2 and A3. Which operation is performed? Whether it is a serial shift right or shift left, we have to perform it by using the serial input IL and IR. This is the hardware implementation of the shift micro operation. Here we have to see the information about the hardware implementation. Information can be transferred to the register. Information transferred to the register in parallel and shifted to right or left side. Okay, information that can be transferred in the register in a parallel to the shifted to right and left operations. What is the meaning of shifted? Okay, shifted means we have to perform the 2 operations in the each one. Okay, in logical shift we have to perform 2 operations. Means SHR and SHL. In circular shift we have to perform 2 operations, SHR, okay, CIL and CIR. In arithmetic shift we have to perform 2 operations, ASHL and ASHR. Okay, likewise shift operation is performed to the right or left. Maybe it is considered on that based upon that operations. Okay, the 4-bit shifter. Okay, in hardware implementation, that is known as, this is also known as a shifter. Okay, shifter. Okay, transferring the data from one register to the another register means shifter. Okay, 4-bit data inputs. Here in the hardware implementation we have to take the 4-bit register only for the performance of the calculation of the 4-bit register A0 to A1, A0 to A3 we have to take, and for the data outputs H0 to H3. Okay, in hardware implementation the output content is H0, H1, H2 and H3. The inputs are A0, A1, inputs are A0, A1, A2, A3. Outputs are represented as H0, H1, H2 and H3. Okay, they are 2 serial input that is one for shift left and other for shift right. Okay, shift right means IR. Shift left means IL. Shift left means IL. Shift right means IR. When the selection inputs, we have only two selection inputs, 0 and 1. That's why you have to take the 2 by 1 multiplexer. Okay, the selection inputs are the S0 and S1. Here we have to take only two selection inputs. That's why we take the 2 by 1 multiplexer. What is the definition of multiplexer? The information that can be transferred from source to destination, from one end to another end, that is known as a multiplexer. Okay, the input, when the selection input is 0, the input data is shifted to the right. When the selection input is 1, the input data is shifted to the left. That is also known as up in the diagram. Here the selection input is 0, this is known as down in the diagram. Down in the diagram means hardware implementation of shift micro operation. When the selection input equal to 0, the input means the serial input data is transferred to the shift right. When the selection input is 1, the input data is transferred to the shift left. That is means upward in the diagram. Okay, the shifter means, the shifter is known as a hardware implementation of micro operation. A shifter with n bits, n data inputs and output requires the n multiplexer. Okay, whatever the selection inputs may be, because we have two selection inputs, we have to take the 2 by 1 multiplexer. We have 4 selected inputs, we have to take also 8 multiplexers. Okay, like already we know, we have to take the 2 input lines, means 2 power n equal to 2 power 2 means we have to use the 4 multiplexer. Okay, here in shift hardware implementation we use only the 2 selected lines. Okay, the 2 serial inputs can be controlled by the other multiplexer to provide the 3 possible types. Here the 3 possible types means logic shift, circular shift and arithmetic shift. Okay, in shift micro operation it consisting of 3 types: logical shift, circular shift. Circular shift is also known as rotate shift, and arithmetic shift. Now today's class we discussed on hardware implementation of shift micro operation. Okay, next class we discussed about arithmetic logical shift unit. Okay, thank you.